Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Use this command to install the zlib library and its development files. By running the following command, you will check if zlib is installed successfully. Now use this command to install the essential build tools and the wget utility. Run the following command to download the latest stable version of zlib. Use this command to extract the contents of the archive. Now run the following command to navigate into the extracted zlib directory, where all the source files are located. Next, use the following command to configure the build environment. By running next command, you will compile the zlib source code. Now use the following command to install it. Next, we use this command to install qpdf, which includes the zlib-flate tool. This utility allows you to test zlib compression and decompression. Use this command to compress the file and save the output. By running the next command, you will decompress the previous compressed file. Finally, use this command to display detailed information about the installed zlib package, including its version, dependencies, and description. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.